Hello everyone, my name is Jason Bessinger, and if you are interested in wielding an umbrella, walking stick, or cane in the matter of self-defense, or mastering the arts of stick fighting, then you are in the right place. I'm just joking. What we're going to learn here today, or try to, is how to braid a two-stranded ring bolt hitch on an object. Basically, it's decorative and it could be a survival item if need be. Um, Things that you'll need is an object. I have a stick here, two strands of paracord or rope, and a rubber band or a hair tie of some sort, or something that'll hold it into place to begin with. Um, Make sure that the starting point is very, very tight. Whenever you wind up your rope or rubber band or hair tie, whatever you have here, make sure it's very tight. Um, Leave about 3 inches from the top, and I'll explain why later. Um, Basically, what you're going to do, you're going to start off, whatever side you start off on, whatever color or side that you start off on, you're going to go to the opposite side, like so. Try to do this. I usually do this sitting down, but for demonstrative purposes, I'm standing up. Make this hitch come through. Tighten it up. Then what we're going to do, cross over. We're starting on this side, so we're going to cross over on the other side. Leave this hitch. See the loop? What we call a hitch. Come through. Tighten it where the other hitch is. See that? Just keep repeating yourself. And as you go along, what you want to do, sometimes these hitches, they'll be loose, but you can tighten it up. See how I'm going, crossing over and then ending up back on the same side? As you can tell, a pattern is starting. Do it a couple more times so you get a feel of it. See this? Go through. Tighten it up. And see how it's loose here? You can always kind of work it in like so as you're braiding it. Around, leave the hitch, come through. What I have here is the finished product. If you keep going along, what you have here is about a foot of this braid. See how nice and how that seam is? Everything's braided and tight. Once you get done, you'll have this. Uh, this is about, each string is about 3 arm lengths. So that's almost equivalent to 15 feet. What we'll do at the end is what we're going to tie a square knot here. If you have any excess, and that's right over left, and then left over right. And you can leave it hanging like a tassel like I have it here. Or you can tie another square knot at the end. Let's see. Tie another square knot right over left and left over right. You can have a little extra support, I guess you could say, if you go to drop a stick, whatever. As I mentioned before, the 3 inches left at the top, what we're going to do here is, depending on how tight you have your starting point, you can either cut it off clean or you could tie a square knot like I did. So in all actuality, hopefully you'll be able to tie or braid a 2-strand ring bolt hitch on an object.